baby is crazy about me. Babe, your license number is 94136. Here it is, babe. Babe. Here it is, babe. Babe, your license number is 94136.
Please do not be alarmed. Remain calm. Do not attempt to leave the dance floor. The DJ booth is conducting a troubleshoot test of the entire system. Somehow, while the party was in progress, an unidentified frequency has been existing in the system for some time. And while many of you have been made too brainwashed to comprehend, this frequency is and has become a threat to our society as we know it. This frequency has been used by a secret society in conjunction with Lucifer to lure and prey on innocent partygoers with hypnotism, synchroprism, tricknology, lies, scandal, and pornography. While the party is still in progress, we will keep you updated on our current status.
play with you? Do you wanna play with me? Oh, can't you see? Oh, won't you be the one for me? Yeah, oh girl, I want to be with you inside your house, inside your bed, with thoughts of you running through my head. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Should I sing like this? 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 Should I sing this? Should I sing like 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 this? Oh yeah, I sing like this. Oh, we'll go far. Should I sing like this? Will you take my car? What's up, Canal? What's up, my brother? What's up, my lover? There ain't no other. Skins against rams. I ram your skin. I push it in. I'm going to win. About 13:30, 29 to go before the end of this show. Jingle all the way, jingle all the way. Santa's on his way, going to make your day like an action hero, not like a zero. I'll be your hero. Ram in the skin.